What's up, my loved ones? How are you? It's your girl, CC. I'm just me. Coming at you with another banger. Yo, today I have Sonic. Okay, I have the Chicago Doug. Yeah, let me see, because I don't even know. I just wanted to try a little bit of everything. I didn't put the cat out of my room, and he just came right back in my room. Out of here. Get out of here. I have the beef hot dog Chicago. I have the beef hot dog chili bacon pretzel dog. I have the handshake milkshake. What kind is this? Oreo, and I have the bacon double cheeseburger. And y'all, these are little cakes that I got from Whole Foods. It's like potato cakes with egg and cheddar and um eggs, potato, cheddar, cheese, and broccoli and cauliflower. Mm, they're so good. Okay, y'all. Um, okay, y'all. I never tasted Sonics before at all. I never tasted Sonic. Let's eat. So I never tasted Chicago Doug neither. So I don't know if this authentic Chicago Doug, but I never tasted this. The pretzel. Oh, is it turned this way? Okay. Mm. Mmm. Mm. 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 This is like Mm. Yeah, I'm talking this right over there. That is good. Mm. They won't even tell me what they got on there. But I know it got sauerkraut on there. I tasted sauerkraut. Got bacon and cheese. Mm. That is really good. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, solid. Okay, let me taste that. Mm. I love they give you a little. Oh, that's so cute. Mm. 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 That's good. That's good. Okay. Let me taste this Chicago Doug. Let me taste this Chicago Doug. I got like little sesame seed bun. It's got a pickle in there. Wow. It got a tomato, relish, onion. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 That's a garlic with fire. I don't know what this is. Must be a pepper. Mm-hmm. Ooh, that's a pepper. I'm gonna bite something. Mm. Mm. The pepper like it hot. Mm. That's a whole pepper. That's a broccoli and cheese. I think it's poutine. Mm. Mm. It's so good. Ooh, that was hot. St. Creed juice. Ooh. Okay, let me try Sonic Burger. This burger look good. Look at that burger. Look at that burger. Hopefully it tastes like everybody burger. I'm like, mm. 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 This is good. Mm. 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 That burger is fire. This hot dog, fire. Chicago dog, fire. Fire. And I never had Sonic before, but it's like, everything tastes so good. This burger is better than some other people's burgers that I taste. This burger is really good. Mm. Mm. It's not burger. Y'all see it? That burger is good. That burger from 1 to 10, that burger is like an 8, 8.5. Mm. Mm. Chicago dog. I never had a Chicago dog, y'all. So, I don't know how it's supposed to taste. As far as hot dog and different, it tastes so good. So good, so flavorful. The bun hold up and everything. I'll get that at. I'll get that at. I just 8.5. This, I give this a 9. Almost a 10. Mm. Mm. The only reason why I'm not giving this a 10, they could put fried onions on there. It would have been 10 for me. But overall, I will be going back to Sonic. I will be going back to Sonic. And they did give me a straw. Mm. Mm. They didn't give me a straw or whatever. But I had a thought. If it's thick, it's thick. And it looked thick. Yeah, it looked thick. Mm. 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 I'm gonna take this cherry down. Mm. Mm. This is good. Mm. Mm. That is so good. That's my cat. I try to put my kitten out. Mm. So, a man don't mind here. This pretzel did was good. Mm. Mm. Yeah. That's my, The bacon on it is like a little bit too salty though. That's why I said if you had the onions, on there, it would have been like perfect, and it wouldn't overlap that saltiness of it. St. Creed. Ooh. I really love it. I really wasn't that hungry in this mukbang right here. But I'm running so behind. Like, I'm trying to give y'all content. What's the content? So, I was like, I gotta get something. So, instead of laying down, because I was going to lay down after I got off of work. But I was like, no, let me give y'all a video. What did I eat today? I ate a biscuit. I ate a biscuit with a sausage in here that I made at home before I left out for work. Mm. Mm. I want to thank K.I. Body. She sent me a donation. Thank you, girl. Thank you, girl. Thank you, sister. Thank you, boo. Yes. I was at work. My phone ding. I was like, is that Bae? Is that Bae calling? It was like, K.I. I was like, oh, thank you, boo. Yes. I really do appreciate that, girl. Yes. Oh, my. Yo, I'm gonna finish up this hot dog. I'm gonna put this in the freezer. This was good. And I'm gonna call it a night. I don't want to get too full because I'm already tired. So I don't need the sleep-itis. I'm already tired. So I don't need that sleep-itis. Let me bite this one more time. Ooh. Excuse me. Mm. Okay. Yeah, so I ain't really had that much to talk about. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The girl's tired. But I am glad that I tried out Sonic. Because Sonic, I will be getting Sonic again. Even though their prices are kind of high. You know, everything's kind of high right now. But even though their price is kind of high, and not only that, they don't have any meal, like a meal that come with tater tots or things like that. You gotta get everything like separate. Ooh. I shouldn't eat that bite of that burger because, ooh, bad. I'm trying to. I did it. I don't know why I feel like I'm so full today. Yeah, that's probably because I ate that biscuit. I ate a biscuit and sausage with a little bit of sprinkle of cheese on it when I left. And now I'm probably tired, and that's why that's feeling that full flavor too. On top of me drinking my water, woo, I'm too done with myself. I'm too through with myself. Yeah. I just want to thank y'all for coming in, tuning in with your girl, CC. I'm just me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And hit that notification bell. Ding. I don't know why that keep on going orange to regular. Is it me because I'm moving it? Like I'm moving my hands? I don't know. Ding. So you can be aware what your girl doing next. Make sure you share me out. Share your girl out. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a mama, to tell a papa, to tell a sister and brother to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Yes, y'all. And don't forget to binge watch your girl. Hey, binge watch your girl. Hey, binge watch your girl. Boop, 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 binge watch your girl's channel. Binge watch your girl channel. Okay? Y'all, I love y'all. Make sure y'all, if y'all gonna taste these puntang, it is so good. And I love it because they got that whole, you see that broccoli? Whole broccoli in there. Like, they not playing. They not slipping on the broccoli or the cauliflower. Oh my God. I wish I could eat that, but no. I'm already full. Y'all, this is a short video. This is a really short video. I don't know what I've been thinking about. Let's chop it up. I don't know. I was eating fast. I don't know what I was doing, but whatever I was doing, they said, baby, you don't even got. Ain't like I can see how many minutes I got. Yo, some of this will probably had to be added out because your girl can't see worth for. And I got my contacts in. Child, be the Lord. Jesus, y'all. But yeah, y'all. I love y'all. Look, you see that? Y'all, if y'all know why my thing go orange and then like it's like orange, then white, orange. I don't know how to fix it. I'm working on getting me a camera, but I don't know how to do the camera with the computer and now. But I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna need to be looking on YouTube. I'm gonna need to be looking because I want to do so much with the channel, but got no clue how to get a black. What's that little black thing that thing that go on your background of your YouTube? I forgot, like a banner. I don't know how to do all that. So I'm definitely gonna have to talk to somebody that know what they're doing because I don't know what I'm doing at all. I'm not afraid to admit that I don't know what's going on. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. I know what's going on. I gotta fit that. I'm gonna get somebody to help me though, yo. I'm gonna get somebody to help me, you know, to do that and then know what they're doing. What else I need for the channel? I was thinking about doing an intro, but I'm like, my intro is just timeless. I had my intro since, I came. So I'm like, I don't really think I need an intro because I love my intro. But would y'all like to see a new intro? That's the question. Would y'all like to see a new intro? I done seen a lot of people intros, and I'd be like, some of them just be like way too long. Especially, I'd be like, okay, not every time. Some of them be way too short. I'd be like, come on, now I wanna get into it now. Now I wanna get into it. Some of them just be like, really? But I don't know. I think I just love my intro, but I probably put a little bit of music on the back of it and just still have my intro because I love it. Yeah, that's it. I was just rambling, trying, give me a little bit more time. Y'all, I love y'all. I miss y'all. Mwah.